Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where my job is to save you money. Today I'm bringing you a video. It's not such a auto repair, it's more my own stuff. On my truck camper I use this generator, okay, for the AC. All right, so it works pretty good for the most part, but sometimes if I start the AC too fast, it overloaded and it turns off. If I do it just right, it stays on, AC works fine, no problem. All right, so I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do to help out this system, and let me get you into the video. Okay, so let's start the generator. Okay, first of all, gotta put it on the gold start. Do something. Bring you here, and we're gonna start the AC first on the fan. So we're gonna turn this to the left, counterclockwise. So fan's on, generator's working, very good. Now the idle is okay. I'm gonna put a high speed. Generator still working. I'm gonna put that in 0 right there, the coal area, and let's see if we can get it running. There it is. It did come on. Like I said, sometimes I go too fast here and just turn the generator off. Lower speed with the compressor on when I turn it off. All right, so far it's working. So if I go straight to the AC, and this time it's working. Oh, never mind, no working, overload. Okay, so we're gonna go outside. So I have to put her off right there, and we can test it one more time just to make sure. Alright, so let's do the fan. Fan works. Generator's working. Okay. Max AC RPM is stable, then there you go. Okay, so I wanted to do the test here so that way you guys can see that actually what's going on. I'm gonna put it in low. So what I'm gonna use here, I'm gonna install on the air conditioning the SoftStarRV. Okay, again, I'm not sponsored by this company. Okay, I just went online and found a lot of good reviews that will help, supposed to help my the AC to draw less amp on when it turns on. So that way you turn it on, the amp's gonna ramp up a spike because it's pulling a lot of power to get the compressor and the fan working. So when that start working, it's going to stabilize, it's going to drop. Okay, again, big disclaimer, I'm not an electrician, I'm just, it's what it makes sense. So anyhow, so this is supposed to eliminate that high spike, so which will make easier for the compressor, to the generator, I'm sorry, to actually work and maintain the AC working with less load and prevent for overloading on the start. Okay, so far this is the unit. It look quite small, which is pretty impressive. Okay, so according to this, reduce startup amps by 65 to 70%, which is huge. Okay, start AC and heat pumps on solar and battery on a small generator off the grid. That's what I need. Sleep with less noise. Supposedly, when this is installed, the way the AC is gonna start, when it is turned on, it's gonna be a little quieter, okay? Because it's gonna be less drawn, I guess. It's gonna work a little bit less harder. So I apologize if I'm not saying things 100% accurate, but again, I'm not an electrician. Work for 115 volts to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. Motor up to 3 tons. So this is plenty for what I need, and everything is inside this box. And it comes with an extra terminal that I'm going to show you where it goes. It comes with the zip ties and some of the extra stuff there already. It came with this pretty thoughtful, you know, electrical, you know, pliers and a sticker, and it came fairly quick. It took like 4 days. Normal ground shipping. I didn't pay anything extra, so I'm pretty pleased with it so far. So let's get into the roof of the camper so we can start taking our tanks apart before it gets too hot. And the instructions are here. You go to the website, you look for the AC unit, the name that you have on the outside of the unit. I will show you in a minute, and we'll have it there, and you should be able to print it and be good to go. All right, so let me turn the compressor off, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna disconnect it. Now we know we have no power going into our AC unit. Come here. Let's see this. It's a beautiful day today. I'm pretty happy about it. Probably need to clean the solar panels. So far everything working good, and this is the Dometic unit. So got one, and I think we should have two only. There. And this unit should open up. I need to change some things around here. All right, so let me do that and I will resume the video. Okay, I removed the top. Okay, there are 4 bolts. I was wrong. I thought it was 2, 1, 2, and sometimes here it probably just slide or catch, but there are 2 more here. 1, 2, there are 4 total. Okay, so and it comes straight up. Now after give it a little bit of thinking, okay, I was kind of concerned. I thought, it's a lot of plastic here, I won't be able to use this unit. I'm gonna have to purchase the one just plug on the electricity, but I didn't want that one. Got my reasons for that, so I decided to remove this part, and I found that the unit fit perfect right there. Perfect. What I did needed to relocate this part. It was mounted right there, so that was in the way of this. So I remove it. I make a new hole using the same bolt. Screw. It went right through there, no problem. It fits right there. Okay, it's away from the capacitors, so which is great. And I loose up the bolt here who attached the 2 capacitors, and I push the capacitor all the way down. That's the only thing that I needed to do on that part. Hopefully I did it okay. And it barely fits. It's like a perfect fit. This part, it is right there. It closes, no problem. So again, I was like very concerned. So now I need to follow the instructions, and I believe I'm gonna have a lot of extra, wire, and I want to tight. Very nice, and put it here, so that way we probably ended up minimizing or getting everything right there, which will be good. Or maybe I'm just gonna cut it and use exactly what I need, and I'm done with it. I'll let you know what I decide.